If I create a new project and use the mechanical template, here I can create a duct. If I look at the properties of the duct and edit its type, you can see that this family is a system family. It's a rectangular duct, and it can't be loaded. Whereas if I were to look at an air terminal and look at the properties of the air terminal, this is a supply diffuser, and I can load additional supply diffusers or any other type of diffuser. The system family, coming back to the edit dialog box, I can choose particular routing preferences and the loadable families that I want to use for each of these transitions, crosses or taps. If they're not accessible in the project right now, I can load one. Other system families include duct placeholders, pipes and pipe placeholders, cable trays, conduits, and from the Architecture tab, walls, ceilings, floors, and roofs. So all of these have to be defined in the project template or created from an existing one as you're working day to day on your project.